How to set up Google Passkeys. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Passkeys. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over, open Safari, and then you're going to head over to google.com. You can also open any of the search engine you have on your device if you're using Android. So once you have opened and search for google.com, you're going to click on your profile icon at the top right. And then you're going to click on manage your Google account. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to scroll the bar and click on security. And after that, you're going to scroll down till you find the option of how you sign into Google. And you'll be able to see option over here that says Passkeys and security keys. Click on it. And then you'll be asked to enter your password. So you can simply type in your password over here. After that, click on next. And you'll be taken over to an interface where you're going to set up your passkeys. So you're going to click on create a passkey over here and then click on create passkey again and choose how to manage your passkeys. You can allow the passwords app to manage your passkeys in settings. You're going to click on open autofill and passwords and you can simply enable this and enable Google as well. Click on continue and just head over back to Safari, click on close. And you can click on create a passkey over here, click on create a passkey, click on continue, sign in using your Face ID. And after that, you can see that your passkey has been created. So that is basically how you can set up Google Passkeys. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.